We all have that outfit, the one we reach for when we don't want to think. It's classic, it's neutral, it's appropriate. Nobody could possibly object to it. And perhaps that's precisely the problem. Because I want to ask you a slightly uncomfortable question. Is your safe outfit still supporting you, or it has slowly started to keep you stuck? But let me say this first. I love a classic neutral outfit formula. There's real freedom in knowing what works for you and for your life. A reliable formula can make getting dressed easier without making it meaningless. So this isn't an argument against familiarity, and it's certainly not an invitation to throw away everything you own and reinvent yourself by Tuesday. It's an invitation to notice when familiar becomes automatic, because there's a difference between a signature and a hiding place. A signature has energy, has you in it. Even when you have worn some version of it for years, it still feels intentional. You recognize yourself in it. A hiding place looks familiar from the outside, but it feels different. You wear it to avoid making a decision, to avoid being judged, sometimes to avoid discovering that you may want something different now. I think many women reach a point where their clothes are still technically right, but emotionally they have gone quiet. Nothing is wrong, but nothing feels especially alive either. Let's begin with a familiar formula. A blazer, a simple top, and jeans. It's useful, polished, easy to repeat, a genuinely good outfit. But if every element has been chosen because it's neutral and sensible, the outfit may be doing more than making your morning easier. It may be lowering the volume on you. And perhaps there was a time when you needed that. After a body change, menopause, a career shift, divorce, grief, caregiving, or simply a long period of being tired and needed by everyone else. Easy clothes can feel like relief. There's no shame in that. Sometimes safe is a season, but it doesn't have to become your permanent address. Now, watch what happens when we keep the formula and make small changes. Perhaps the layering just peeks through, so the result gets a tad more intriguing. Or you add a blazer with some color or pattern, whatever detail feels more interesting to you. You haven't abandoned the outfit, you have reintroduced intention. And that's often all style evolution requires. Not a dramatic reinvention, but the willingness to ask, where has this outfit gone numb? Safe outfits are hard to let go because they offer certainty, and certainty is seductive. We know nobody will object. We know the outfit won't be remembered. We know you won't invite too many opinions. But when we dress only for certainty, we slowly lose contact with our essence. And essence is fundamental to personal style. Your essence may remain, but the way you express it is not meant to stand still. Your face changes, your body changes, your life changes, your desires change. The woman you were dressing 5 years ago may not be the woman standing in front of the mirror today. When we repeat the same formula without ever questioning it, we may be dressing an older version of ourselves and calling that authenticity. The all-neutral outfit is another common safe place. Understand its appeal. Neutrals can be elegant, practical, and ultra-sophisticated. But sometimes we choose them because they express us, and sometimes we choose them because they protect us. Black because it's slimming, beige because it's classy, gray because it's chic, navy because nobody argues with it. The colors aren't the issue. The question is whether you're choosing them or hiding inside them. One way to find out is to wear a detail with a different emotional temperature. A blue that wakes you up, a gold shoe or bag, a stack of necklaces, a little bit of skin in the right places. Something small enough to live in your real life, but strong enough to tell the truth. If your immediate reaction is, "Oh, that's too much," pause before removing it. Is it too much for the outfit? Or is it too much for the version of you that you are used to presenting? Sometimes safety is about styling a very predictable color combination. Perhaps you always choose to wear your shirt a certain way that feels safer. The same neutral pencil skirt and neutral button-down shirt formula because it's familiar. Tucked in the same way because years ago you decided your tummy was a problem. Perhaps you avoid belting or showing a particular part of your body because someone once made you self-conscious. These little rules can live in our wardrobes for decades. They sound practical. I can't wear that. That shape does nothing for me. That draws attention to the wrong place. But sometimes the rule is older than your body, your taste, and the woman you've become. So test it. Don't obey it or instantly rebel against it. Try the new proportions at home, take a picture, walk away, come back later, and look again with different eyes. Because your first reaction isn't always the truth. Sometimes it's simply habit defending itself. This is why I don't find the question, "Does it make me look younger or slimmer?" especially helpful. It sends us in the wrong direction, as though youth and being lean were the only evidence that we're still alive and participating. A more interesting question is, does this make me feel current in my own life? Not trendy, not young, not approved, just current. As though your clothes belong to the woman you are now, rather than maintaining an image that made sense years ago. There's a quiet sadness in wearing clothes that remain perfectly acceptable, but no longer feel connected to you. And there is a particular kind of pleasure in realizing that you can keep what works and still allow yourself to evolve. Okay, let's take yet another outfit example. A blue shirt styled with slacks and kitten heel pumps. You may ask, what's wrong with this outfit? Absolutely nothing. It's a good outfit. Now, see what happens when I add a red sweater, a black bow, and choose a shoe that alters the mood. The second outfit isn't better. It's more personal, more awake, more alive. I recently came across a quote that gave words to something I've been feeling without knowing how to name. I'm not minimalist. I like the idea of being as simple as you can be, but with impact. This is where style feels most alive to me these days, at the intersection of simplicity and impact. The simplicity makes the outfit wearable. The impact makes it yours. And impact doesn't have to mean loud. It may be one shape, one color, one surprising detail, something that gives the outfit a pulse. Because good style can make an outfit look right. Personal style makes the outfit feel like you. And aliveness is where personal style begins. That's why so many women feel bored with their wardrobes, even when they own enough clothes. The problem isn't always quantity. Sometimes it's repetition without discovery. We keep buying slightly variations of what already feels safe, then wonder why nothing feels exciting. But excitement usually lives just outside the formula, not miles away from it, just outside it. One new color, one more current shape, one unexpected combination, one old rule questioned, one detail that makes the outfit feel chosen again. You're not becoming someone else. You're updating the conversation between who you were and who you are now. So this week, look at the outfit you wear when you don't want to think. Don't criticize it. Don't throw it away. Just ask it one question. Are you still helping me or are you keeping me small? If the answer is that the outfit has gone a little quiet, change one thing. No need to change everything. Sometimes just one thing is enough because style doesn't begin with a revolution. Sometimes it begins with a shoe that makes you stand differently. Tell me in the comments, what's your safest outfit formula? And does it still feel like you, or does it simply feel lazy? Thank you for staying with me until the end, and I'll see you next week. Ciao, ciao, everyone.